Dude.
He lit them up just like
that. Yeah, it did. Yeah, we're driving now. Today's the day.
Man, it's been a long wait, but I guess it's not as bad if you really think about it. Only 3.5 months, but golly, ready to see that thing.
It's gonna be worth it.
Man, I got high hopes, but we'll see. The verdict's still out, but been thinking about it for a long time, and really excited.
It's a dream of yours, isn't it?
It really is, man. I mean, it kind of sounds cliche, but I mean, this is what I wanted, and I didn't leave anything on the table. I mean, I'm getting literally every spec, everything that I wanted. So we'll see. We'll see if it's everything I thought it was going to be.
Heck yeah. I can't freaking wait, man. So to think that I've been talking to you about this for a few months whenever you were researching, and I just remember being ecstatic whenever you said, yeah, I'm going 5.0 10 speed and I'm going to go with the baddest one. I'm going Mach 1. I was like, oh man, I felt like I was buying a car too.
Well, I tell you, when I rode in yours, that kind of helped persuade me. I mean, I've had lots of different Mustangs, and telling you guys, there's not a thing wrong with a S550 Coyote 10 speed. I mean, good luck knocking them. So.
Oh man, and you considered it all. I mean, just to reiterate, what all were you considering again? I mean, you had a pretty good budget and everything.
Yeah, so really kind of the idea was, what can I get 100 grand and under, all said and done. That was really the budget. And considered a Z06 pretty hard, and that would have put me a little over 100, but the appealing part is they're selling for like 20 under stickers. And those are an awesome car. I don't want to knock them, but, during the research process is when those actually became, tuning became available. And I don't know, man. There's just too many unknowns still. I'm sure it's a great platform. I have no doubt, but, 5.0 10 speed is proven, and you know what you're going to get. Considered a Dodge Viper. Well, that ain't going to buy you a new Viper, the 100 grand, but you could certainly have a really nice used Viper, and I mean, what an awesome car that is. But I've done the preserve thing. I had that 2004 Mystic Chrome Cobra, had the 96 Mystic, both of them pretty much stock, perfect cars, kind of the museum deal. And I think that's where the Shelby would end up for me, is more of a don't touch it and preserve it and try to hold value. And that's cool for about a year, and then it really loses its luster. So
you want to have some fun.
Yeah, this was all 100%. I want to go fast. I want to have fun. Yeah. If you tear it up, I want to be able to fix it quick and get it back going. And
this strikes the right balance, just with everything, really.
It does. Yeah. I'm done with things that are hard to enjoy. It's enjoy it or sell it. So,
well, I can't wait to get with Dad here in a little bit, and let's get on down the road to Coyote Direct. And speaking of Coyote Direct, why'd you go with Coyote Direct, Patrick? Like, what was the appeal there?
Well, pretty simple. I emailed Lund. That's who I wanted to tune my car, and just asked them, who's the best in Texas? And they're not going to say who the best is, but they were on the list of some people to contact. And he actually emailed back and answered the phone. Really have good things to say about Dave. I emailed some other shops, kind of told them what I was thinking about doing, and literally didn't even get an email back. And I was like, wow. Yeah, man, Dave helped me from day one. Like, hey, help me decide on the platform, GT500 versus Mach 1. Okay. We talked about what my goals were, and all roads led to the Mach 1. And yeah, he helped me spec the whole build, and he's kind of gave me some teasers and everything, and it looks like it's going to fit exactly what he said it would. So yeah, but everything good to say about him. And of course, just being an hour and a half away for a shop like that, that's pretty hard to beat too. So, who do you think's more excited, me to pick up or Dad to drop off?
That's a tough one. That's a really tough one, man. I mean, that's a dead heat right there.
Pretty dead heat. I'm gonna give the edge to Dad, actually.
Yeah.
He's a little man. He's addicted.
Good old windy West Texas. Dad's got her ready to go. Gonna make the exchange. We're not just picking up Patrick's car, we're dropping off Dad's F-150. It's gonna be a different animal when you get it back, isn't it, Dad?
I hope so.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I'm excited.
Oh man,
I'm old and excited.
Today's awesome, you know. Patrick gets his back, you get to drop yours off. Little road trip. Well, let's make it happen. You ready?
Sounds good, man. Appreciate it.
Let's go.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away.
Well, the E85 Life.
Thundercorn.
Thundercorn. It's funny. She looks different.
Remove nozzle, left hand. That's old school. That's what I was trying not to do.
There we go. Thanks. Yeah.
She was swirling.
Dude.
She lit them up just like that.
Yeah, it did. Oh,
Dude, it lit them up like that.
It did. Traction is gonna be the #1 issue.
Yeah, that's gonna be the issue.
But the power's there.
It's got plenty of power.
The power's there.
And it happened quick.
Yeah, it did.
Good Lord.
So what are the initial driving impressions after some half throttles and
It feels a
easing
little
into-
more race car than I thought.
Yeah.
It drives fine, quarter throttle and all that, but you can tell it wants to go.
Yeah.
I think my biggest happy moment on the car so far is just literally, you don't even have to get on it. You can just be idling around town and enjoying it. I love the sound.
The sound.
Love it.
It's a jet, man.
It
It's
is.
got a little bit of that jet sound, not too much, but just enough.
Yeah.
You already got complimented at the pump the very first time.
First
filling it up.
time, only person. at
Only
the pump.
person at the pump,
Woman.
a woman, said, "Damn, that sounds good," didn't she?
She did. I was like, I mean, I thought so, but it's nice to hear other people think so too. nuts.
You've got 20 minutes of driving experience now.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's
make a
hit it.
pull. Yeah, let's make it official, man.
Yeah. On the sit there and told David, hey, don't we want to put it on like a 100mm pulley or something? I mean, everybody says you might blow your motor. You know, if you put under the 100, that's kind of the He's like, nah, you'll be fine. We tested it. It's good. I'm like, well, maybe I just want one because it's radical. And I'm here to tell you, this thing's radical.
It's radical. Well,
it's radical.
I agree. This let you get a little more time behind the wheel, but when we get home eventually, subscribe, guys, because a draggy run's coming. We're going to let some air out of the tires. You're going to get a little more used to it.
And the goal is going to get hit.
The goal. So I don't know if we've fully discussed the goal in any video, but if you haven't seen our videos, what was the goal, Patrick?
4.99. Whatever it takes. I want to run 4.
Yeah, under a 5, 60 to 130. 499 counts in West Texas, mind you. So that makes things a little different.
Yeah.
We're not down in the sea level, you know, none of this Houston. We know it would do it down there, but where we live, we want to see it happen, which is a big...
People running high 3s with this setup in Houston.
Yeah.
But I have no idea how they're hooking, because I can't even hook or in the panhandle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Running a second slower makes no sense.
It doesn't. Well,
they must have some good concrete.
Well, we're going to find out if the goal got hit, and if we can get traction, get a good DA day, and the transmission hold this poor stock transmission. If it can just hang on for one good run, I think it's going to happen.
I think it will too.
Yeah. So, to be continued. Really digging the red Recaros, man. To me, that's a nice touch.
Yeah, I agree.
Those others were so comfortable, but
yeah,
this suits the new performance level of the car. I don't know why anybody wouldn't want a Mustang riding in this thing.
Oh yeah, I mean, it sounds awful, doesn't have any power, rides like a covered wagon, just yeah.
It's just a Mustang.
It's just a Mustang. Just a Mustang.
Just a Mustang, yeah.
Pulls a G.
Yeah.
I can't believe you can buy this mean of a car and have it all modded for this price. Thank you, Ford.
Yes, thank you, Ford.
Yes.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Ford.
Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Ford. And go ahead and give me the all-wheel drive or mid-engine. Like, you know, never be satisfied, but this is pretty awesome. Let's see what these people's reaction.
Okay. It's just a Mustang. That's what they said. They were like, get back to what you're doing, honey. It was just a Mustang. Okay.
Good Lord.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that back in just normal.
Yeah, I think we did right to leave the draggy put up for a little bit. Let's get acquainted. I don't care what he says, man. Whatever the time is on this thing tears it up. I mean, it looked like it was about to go for takeoff. Yes. You know what? The last time I ever rode in anything that kind of started to do that, it had a 572 in it, and it was a Stingray that ran on race gas and everything. Dude, like seriously, that was that. I would not call that stable, smooth power. That was getting a little radical.
We're getting into
That's getting a little more radical. Man.
Well, that's badass.
Stop transmission. Yikes. Well, I can't believe a stock transmission can even do that for a pass.
It probably won't.
Well, good news is there's a solution. This sounds so good.
Yeah. That's what's so cool is you don't have to get any gas, and you're just loving it.
2,500 RPM, and just, man, it sounds good. You're getting the deep throatiness with the whistle without either one of them drowning each other out. It's seriously, it's just right.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it really is. Like, maybe I'm biased because it's yours, but man, I don't
think so.
If I was in somebody else's, I'd be telling them it was perfect too. Like, man.
Mach 1 shenanigans with a drag pack?
With the drag pack and an ESS where we're going to be coming in with a little more heat.
25? Did you mean 100?
Yeah, I think let's save the Mach 1 shenanigans, but yeah. Woo!
Yeah, I think I can tell they were a little skinnier up front.
Yeah.
Okay, it is in
S.
S.
You were in S. Fourth.
Yeah, we're driving now.
Dude. Whoa.
There's your 130.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Hell yeah.
Dude, that thing
Calling
is-
back and telling fourth worked, but we need third to work too.
Yeah, that is ridiculous.
So what are you already noticing?
Ain't got no gas.
No, we ain't got no gas.
Be
Man.
lucky to make it home. No more
Yeah, you think
60 to 130s.
Yeah, no more of that. You think they got a E85 pumping?
I don't think so. They should. They grow all the corn, but
Show what your gauge is at.
I've been in this car like, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes. But you've also been having some fun in the first 30 minutes.
Yeah,
but still,
a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun, but that's, yeah.
Yeah.
It's still kind of crazy though. Didn't think it'd be gone quite that fast. I guess that's real. Everybody talks about that. But,
Fuel system works.
Fuel system works.
Yeah.
Yep.